In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to GoDaddy website. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and open the official GoDaddy website. Sign in to your account using your usual credentials. Once you're in, look to the top right of the page and click your profile or username. From the menu that appears, choose My Products to see everything connected to your account. Find your website in the list and click it to launch the site editor. Inside the editor, navigate to the page and the spot where you want your video to appear. When you're ready, click Add Section. This opens GoDaddy's section library, which is where you'll choose the type of content to insert. From the library, select the Audio and Video category, then choose Video. You'll see several layout options. Pick Feature your top video. This layout is great when you want to highlight a single video prominently on the page. A placeholder video block will appear. Click the option that says Upload, Select, or Create a Video. If there's a sample already in place, choose Change Video to replace it. Next, click Upload to add a file from your computer. Pick your video, then confirm. If you prefer using stock footage, you can browse the built-in Getty Images library in GoDaddy and choose a clip there. Whichever route you take, make sure you have usage rights and try to use a compressed MP4 for faster loading. Shorter clips usually keep visitors engaged and help your page perform better. After you've chosen the file or stock clip, click Insert. GoDaddy will process the video and drop it into the section. Give it a moment to finish uploading. Now add the supporting details that make your video more effective. Use the Describe this video field to provide a short, meaningful description for accessibility and search engines. Keep it clear and specific. Think of it like alt text for your video. Add a concise title that tells visitors exactly what they're about to watch. Then, fill in the video description with a brief summary or key takeaways. This can help visitors decide to press play and can improve SEO if you use natural, relevant phrases. Before you move on, glance at the preview in the editor. Check that the video looks good in the chosen section and that the title and description read well. If your video feels large or loads slowly, consider compressing it and re-uploading. When everything looks right, you're all set. You've successfully added a video to your GoDaddy website.